kitchen. Jody is cooking. She is cooking. Me say you want to taste it. You have to taste it. And when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey! Jody cooking, delicious cooking. Hey! Jody cooking, straight from the kitchen. Subscribe for more.
Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got another delicious recipe for you all. I'm gonna make some roast chicken, a whole roast chicken, yes. So these are all of my ingredients that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna start off with my garlic. Here I have 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, crushed garlic that I crush, as you can all see. And I also have at least 1 tablespoon of rosemary and 1 tablespoon of my fresh thyme right here. I also have some olive oil, 1/4 cup, butter, 1/4 cup of butter also, melted butter, and these are all my seasoning that I'll be using. Here I have complete seasoning, black pepper, cajun seasoning, onion powder, jerk powder seasoning, garlic powder, and smoked paprika. And everything, guys, is 1 teaspoon, okay? Yes. If you don't have all the seasoning that I'm using, you can also use whichever one you have at home, okay? Don't forget, guys, to give me a thumbs up. Please share this video to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I'll really appreciate it. Okay, thank you all so much in advance. Stay tuned. So guys, this is my chicken right here. As you can see, it's already washed and clean. I cleaned it in some lemon juice. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut it, you know, like butterfly, in a butterfly. So here I have my scissors. So I'm gonna cut the, you know, backbone. You wanna just take your time. If you don't have a scissors, you can also use a knife, okay? Gonna cut the other part. So you see that? Perfect. I'm gonna give it another wash, okay? So guys, I give it another wash. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna remove all this extra fat. Make sure you just open it up. Yeah, that's perfect. Just gonna take a paper towel and just remove every excess water. Just like so. I'm gonna take my spoon and just mix it all in. Make sure that all your seasoning is all combined. This chicken, guys, is gonna be so delicious, so yummy. It's gonna be the best roast chicken you'll ever have. Honestly, it's gonna be super flavorful. So that's perfect. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my olive oil and just pour my olive oil on there, just like so. And the olive oil, guys, just gonna keep it nice and moist, okay? You wanna rub it all in. So after I add my olive oil, I'm just gonna add my seasoning. Just gonna sprinkle your seasoning just like so. Sure that everywhere is all covered in the seasoning.
Straight from the kitchen.
You're just gonna take your hand and just pat it. So now I'm just gonna flip it over. Gonna add some more olive oil. As you can see, it is perfectly seasoning. It looks so good, guys. So good. So guys, now that I finished add all my seasoning onto my chicken, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add my garlic to my butter, just like so. Then I'm just gonna take my fresh thyme and I'm gonna take my scissors and just cut it. Make sure you cut it very small, okay? If you don't have a scissors, you can also use a knife. Just like so. Then I'm also gonna add my rosemary. Make sure it is cut very small, okay? So now that I cut everything, I'm just gonna mix it all in. Guys, look at that. This is gonna be so flavorful. So now guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add all that buttery garlic sauce all over on my chicken, like so. Guys, honestly, this is gonna be so delicious. I know I say it a lot of time, but trust me, garlic, fresh thyme, it's gonna be so yummy with all that butter. Super delicious. So guys, I'm gonna bake my chicken in a skillet. If you don't have a skillet, you can also use baking pan. It doesn't really matter. It's still gonna be delicious, okay? So what I'm gonna do to my skillet, I'm gonna add some of that buttery garlic sauce. Just gonna add it at the bottom. And I'm also gonna add some olive oil with it. At least 1 tablespoon. Then I'm gonna take my brush and just brush it all over. So guys, this is the fun part. Now I'm gonna add my chicken.
Subscribe for more of these delicious recipes. Hit the thumbs up and share across all your social media platforms for more of these amazing delicious recipes from Jody.
Gonna add all my remaining fresh thyme and rosemary that leave back. Just add it to the side of the pan, okay? With some more of that buttery garlic sauce, you're just gonna pour it on, okay? And I'm gonna put it in my oven, guys, and 180 to 200 degree Celsius, okay? I'm not sure for how long, but I will let you guys know exact time. And guys, what you should do, like for the next 35 minutes or so, there's gonna be a lot of liquid underneath the bottom, and what you can do, just take your spoon and just, you know, pour it on, so that way it will keep nice and moist, okay? Yes. So in the oven it goes. Stay tuned. Super yummy. So guys, my chicken has been roasting for just over 40 minutes, and this is what it looks like. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pour all that buttery sauce all over it, and I'm gonna put it back in my oven because it's still not yet finished. Guys, it look absolutely delicious and so moist. So this is exactly what I was telling you. Just to keep it moist, you need to just continue to just put the liquid over it, okay? So guys, my roast chicken is finally finished, and honestly it came out perfect. It looking super delicious. You guys are gonna enjoy this recipe. It is a must try. Don't forget guys to give me a thumbs up, and if you try this recipe, comment below and tell me what it's like. Please guys, share it to someone that you know will enjoy it. I'm sure that you must have your family or a friend that will enjoy it also. I'm telling you, it looks so good. You can serve it with some mashed potato, some roast potato, some rice and peas, whatever you prefer. I'm just pouring all that liquid on it just to keep it nice and moist. So guys, it's been in my oven for just over 1 hour and 20 minutes, okay? Yes, maybe for the last 10 minutes what I did, I turn up my stove, you know, just a bit higher so I get a nice, you know, color. Yes, so that's what I did. So guys, I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Love you all.
Subscribe for more of these delicious recipes. Hit the thumbs up and share across all your social media platforms for more of these amazing delicious recipes from Jody Cooking. Delicious cooking.